Hi everyone, I'm Sebastian, the platform evangelist of the Interface, and we are presenting you today the first touch application running on LG webOS platform. This touch application, which was created without coding, without writing one single line of code, thanks to our authoring tool. Let's have a look at the application first. This is a retail example we created for, let's say, a grocery store. Here a user will be able to have a look at some products, see some details about them, and add them to the selection. You can use any kind of data source, an Excel file, a web service, a database, and put your content directly into the screen. With my shopping list here, I can send it to myself as a user using the embedded virtual keyboard of the webOS signage platform. So that's very easy to set up. No PC, webOS signage device, a touch overlay, and our software running on that. Let's have a look at the software a little bit more. This is Interface Composer, the authoring tool that was used to create this touch application. I like to compare it with PowerPoint and Photoshop. You have, like the slides of PowerPoint, to create the different scenes for your application, and you have the different layers, like in Photoshop, in which you are going to import your content. Images, videos, PDF, web pages, text, all you need to present information to your users. When you're done creating this experience, we call that an interactive experience, you can publish it to any cloud storage of yours and then deploy it on your LG devices. Here are my projects. Here are the running devices, including the one I have today at ISE. And just do a drag and drop to deploy on one or on a group of devices. Very easy to set up. I said earlier, this is not a digital signage software, that's an interactive signage. We know when the user is touching an element. So we can track this information, and that's a really added value for the retailers. They can measure the return on investment of such a system installed in their store. A cost-effective screen with an embedded player, no PC behind, and our software, and you run an interactive experience very quickly. Here are all the products which were consulted here at the ISE. Very easy to visualize. Here you will see all the data, all the products which have been consulted at ISE. That's very easy to set up and still without writing a line of code. If you want to create your own touch-enabled applications and run them on this LG webOS signage device, download the free edition from our website, INTUILAB.com. Compose your experience or try one of our samples in the marketplace and run it directly on the free version of the player on the LG webOS signage. Thanks to the dev team of LGE in Korea, now the webOS supports touch and multi-touch with the overlays. So be amazing, create amazing stuff with our solution and running on LG webOS. Thanks everyone.